Good evening, everyone. Today we are going to discuss about countries and their currencies. आज हम लोग कंट्रीज और उनके मुद्रा के बारे में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. सो फर्स्ट विल कवर ऑफ द G20. द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ G20 इज ग्रुप ऑफ 20. So there are 19 countries plus European Union and African Union. So let's discuss more about the G20 because it is very important topic for every competitive exam. The next group of G20 will be held in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil from November 18, 19, 2024, which will be the first time Brazil hosts the G20 summit. So last year 2023 G20 was hosted by India. The G20 leader is a culmination of the G20 process, which also include the ministerial meetings, working groups, and the engagement. So G20 is very important because in the world 75% of the world trade and the 85% of the world GDP accounts the countries from the G20. G20 was established in 1999. From that year, every year the meeting is held annually. Okay, so let's discuss about these currencies. So the first one is Argentina. So the currency of Argentina is Argentina peso. Next one is Australia. Currency is Australian dollar, AUD. Brazil, Brazilian dollar, BRL. Canada, Canadian dollar, CAD. China, Chinese yuan, CNY. French, euro, EUR. We'll discuss some brief about why it is euro, about the European Union also in this video later. 7 number is Germany, that is also euro, EUR. India, Indian rupee, that is INR. Indonesia, Indonesian rupiah, IDR. Italy, euro, EUR. Japan, Japanese yen. Mexico, Mexican peso, MXN. Russia, Russian ruble, RUB. Saudi Arabia, Saudi real, SAR. South Africa, South African rand, ZAR. South Korea, South Korean won, KRW. Turkey, Turkish lira, TRY. United Kingdom, pound sterling, GBP. United States dollar, USD. European Union, euro. So important information about EU. EU stands for European Union. It is not a country but an economic and a political union of 27 member states, and the euro is its official language. European Union एक देश नहीं है, ये एक इकोनॉमी एंड पॉलिटिकल यूनियन है 27 मेंबर स्टेट से मिलकर, मतलब 27 देशों से मिलकर बना है. सो द यूरो इज द ऑफिशियल करेंसी. India. So now let's discuss about the India and their neighborhoods. So first we'll discuss about the neighborhoods of the India from the map given below. So the first is, so ये है हमारा प्यारा भारत. So in the northwest of the India there lies a Pakistan. In the northeast, Bhutan, China, and Nepal. In the north side there is China. So in the east there is Myanmar, this is, and Bangladesh. In the south it's share border with Sri Lanka and one country that is maritime, that is Maldives. Now let's discuss about them. So Pakistan west, China north, Nepal northeast, Bhutan northwest, Bangladesh east, Myanmar southwest. India also has maritime border, Sri Lanka south, Maldives southwest. Maldives Indian Ocean के बीचों बीच में है. Okay, so these countries are often referred to as Indian neighbors or neighboring countries, हमारे पड़ोसी देश है. So we have already looked in the picture also. So this is the photo of the India and its neighborhood. So now let's discuss about one by one of the neighborhoods of India. First is Pakistan, जो कि हमारे पड़ोसी मुल्क है. A federal parliamentary republic with a population about 216 million. Currency of Pakistan is Pakistani rupee. Next is China, a socialist republic with a population of 1.44 billion. Currency is yuan. China एक socialist मतलब सामाजिक देश है, CPI, Communist Party of China जो रूल करते हैं, and the president of China is Xi Jinping. So third number is Nepal, a federal democratic republic with population over 31 million. Currency Nepalese rupee. 4 number, Bhutan, a constitutional monarchy with a population over 7,71,000. The currency of Bhutan is Ingletrom. So in Bhutan there is a constitutional monarchy. That means अभी राजा है पर वहाँ संविधान से चलता है देश, ना कि इट इज़ नॉट एन एब्सोल्यूट मोनार्की. एब्सोल्यूट मोनार्की ऐसा होता है जहाँ वॉट एवर द किंग से एवरीथिंग इज डन. सो 5 नंबर इज बांग्लादेश, ए पार्लियामेंट्री डेमोक्रेसी विद अ पॉपुलेशन ऑफ 166 मिलियन. कहने का ही डेमोक्रेसी है. अभी नाउ द शेख हसीना, द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ बांग्लादेश, इज इन इंडिया. So its currency is Taka and the capital is Dhaka. 6 number, Myanmar, a unitary presidential constitutional republic with population of over 54 million. Currency is Myanmar Kyat. Sri Lanka, a semi-presidential republic with population over 22 million. Currency is Sri Lankan rupees. 8 number is Maldives, a presidential republic with population over 4,39,000. Currency is Maldivian rupiah. So in this video we have discussed about the today 3 important topic. The first one is G20 and some basic information about G20. Next is countries and their currencies, which are very important because they falls in G20 and the neighborhood of India plus European Union. I hope you find the video helpful. If you find the video helpful, do like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching the video.